A multi-channel network, MCN, on YouTube is a company or organization that partners with content creators, YouTubers, to help them manage and grow their YouTube channels. MCNs offer a range of services and benefits to content creators in exchange for a percentage of their ad revenue. Here are some of the benefits of joining an MCN. Monetization assistance. MCNs often have established relationships with advertisers and can help content creators secure better advertising deals. They can also provide guidance on optimizing ad revenue through methods such as ad placement and content strategy. Channel growth. MCNs may offer promotional support to help grow a creator's audience and increase their channel's visibility on YouTube. This can include cross-promotion among channels within the MCN network. Access to resources. MCNs can provide access to resources like music libraries, stock footage, and editing software, which can help creators improve the quality of their content. Content optimization. MCNs